Hello, I'm Krishma Patel, the physician assistant at Lake Nona Ophthalmology. So what exactly is the difference between Botox and fillers? Botox is a purified protein that relaxes muscles. Filler is a product that restores volume that is lost through our aging process. There are different types of filler. Most fillers are composed of hyaluronic acid, which is naturally found in our bodies, our skin, joints, and eyes. From the time we are born, much of the volume in our face comes from our bony structure and fat pads that are distributed throughout our face. As we age, our bone remodels and shrinks, and so do our fat pads. The pillars that once gave our face volume and a lifted appearance are no longer able to provide the same support. That is where fillers come in. If you're interested in Botox or fillers, schedule a consultation by calling 407-857-3937 or visit us online at nonaimd.com.